Hi and welcome to the channel. If you are new here, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell. So today we are going to talk about the airflow directions, Form A and Form B. Quite simple, but how do you know which one is which? Let's look at Form A. This is over the motor, then through the impeller. If you were standing in front of the impeller, the air would be blowing at you. If your fan was bolted against an inside wall, this would be an extract fan, as the air would be blowing out to environment. I've found Form A to typically be on short-cased fans, but it's up to your customer which airflow they want on their fan, so always ask the question rather than guess. Okay, so now let's look at Form B airflow. I'm pretty sure you will know what this is now. This is air through the impeller then over the motor, so opposite to Form A. If you were standing behind the motor of the fan, the air would be blowing at you. If your fan was short-cased and bolted against an inside wall, this would be an intake fan, as the air would be pulling in from outside. B-flow is typically used on long-cased fans, but again it's up to your customer, so asking the question will save you a lot of heartache if you get it wrong. I hope you have learned something today. If you have, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.